Yan oh. Eto. Ko, buti na lang yung pag-impake ng anak ko nakabag. Kung hindi, naku, iiyak yun. Tingnan mo to oh. Hindi ko lang alam, sasabihin pa namin sa landlord kasi hindi naman kasi namin kasalanan eh. Tapon-tapon. I tried posting it in Facebook, nobody wants it. Pinamimigay na lang to for free, nobody wants it. Yeah, this is the water damage.
Mama, come over here. Thank you.
Why do I have flash on? Yeah, water damage. Water damage. Yeah, as if nothing happened. Super clean! But babe, this one here is molded.
Yeah, it'll dry out.
Yeah. Yung mga lata ng mga chemicals pangtanggal ng carpet cleaner. They're still wet up here.
Yeah,
when you
it's
walk.
gonna take a while to dry out.
Yeah,
You
but
gotta keep the fan going.
I think I have to vacuum it again tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Who wants to have some okay, okay?
What? Okay.
Yung ano kasi, yung tao na kinex yung aming AC. Ano ginawa? Hindi niya kinabit yung drain pipe ng AC. Kaya ngayon ang nangyari, dito siya nag-leak kasi nasa kabilang wall. Kung hindi kami bumaba ni Tami dito para tingnan yung mga abuwat ng mga anak ko. Naku po, siguro matagal na kami nagka-mold. Buti na lang naagapan, ito lang medyo nabasa. Pero puno siya ng leak. Yan oh. Eto. Ko, buti na lang yung pag-impake ng anak ko nakabag. Kung hindi, naku, iiyak yun. Tingnan mo to oh. Hindi ko lang alam, sasabihin pa namin sa landlord kasi hindi naman kasi namin kasalanan eh. Yung yung nag-fix ng AC ang may kasalanan, hindi kami. So marami kami mga basura na kailangan itapon. Yan. Nasa labas si Tami kasi kailangan i-confirm yung parking sa labas. Ay. Mayroon trailer sa labas. So, kailangan naman i-confirm sa police para na hindi matikitan. Okay guys, so after natin tinapon yung kama dito. Okay? Ito yung natira. And yung kay Zoe, medyo tambak-tambak pa kasi we're trying to sort out her stuff out here. Pero yung mga importante, tinanggal ko na. Ito ay ayaw niyang ipagalaw sa akin, but I will pack them pagka-aalis na siya. Okay? Then, butters are still here. Butters will go to Zoe. And ngayon, titingnan natin sa baba kasi nililinis yung carpet sa baba. And we are trying to really empty downstairs. Ito guys, tingnan niyo.
What?
This will go.
Go dump it. Take the top off to dump it.
You love the attention, huh?
Yeah,
Love
she was
it.
sitting on me earlier.
She teased you for 3 times.
You know.
Oh yeah, that's looking a whole lot.
Tapon-tapon. Tapon namin yung table. Hindi na magkasya. Tsaka yung mga chairs na yan. I tried posting it in Facebook. Nobody wants it. Sayang to. Alam nyo, heavy duty to. So, hindi na namin pwede ma-hold. Hindi na namin talaga pwede ma-hold. Kasi, we are downsizing na talaga. Pinamimigay na nga lang yan for free.
I love you so much.
I love it too. Pinamimigay na lang to for free. Nobody wants it. So, we have to drop them off. Sayang, no? Yan si Tami. Baback out. Ibaback niya yung trailer. Sa Pilipinas lang to. Marami na nagkakagusto nito. Pero dito talaga umaayaw sila sa mga second hand.
I love you so much, Mommy.
Nakalimutan ko lang anong klaseng brand to. Pero nabili namin kasi to sa Nevada. Yan, binabak ni Tami yung trailer kasi ilagay yung mga ito.
Oh no. It got spots.
Because of the water.
Yeah, it's gonna go away.
Uh-huh.
Is it gonna go away?
No, we have to dump them in the dumping area. Did you help? Did you help?
Sure. Don't have to tar either.
No. Start with the back. The very
I love
back.
you so much, Mommy.
No, I know. The very back chair. Put your phone in the Angel's stuff. There. Don't hit my car.
Can you help?
Give it the tar.
I did.
Tara guys, punta tayo dun sa tambakan ni Tami. Sayang itong mga gamit eh. sayang no. What the heck are you doing? Okay. Tangi. Tara. Go. Oh! Your back! Don't hurt your back, babe. Wanna help Tommy?
Yeah. Don't get run over. We'll go around the other side of the red car.
Hey guys, hapon na po. Kanina pa kami ni Zoe nakaikot. Kasama ko siya. Tingnan niyo. Teka lang, nasa stop sign tayo. So kasama ko si Zoe ngayon. Wala nang pasok. So kailangan kasama ko siya. Lumabas ng bahay. Hindi siya pwedeng maiwan mag-isa sa bahay. So kanina pa kami nakaikot. Napagod na ako. All I did is to give all coats. Coat lang ako ng coat. Hopefully it will return back. Hopefully it will turn into a sale. So napapagod ako at saka para akong ano ba yun? Yung para kang naantok. Wala akong energy. Alam mo naman yung coffee natin is 1 coffee a day na lang tayo. Yeah. And yung ating chips, meron akong daladalang banana chips, yung plantain. So uwi na lang tayo kasi nakakalungkot, wala akong benta. Puro give me a coat, yung ganun. Tsaka yung mga tao, yung parang
600 feet, turn right onto State Road.
parang takot bumili. Kaya hayaan mo na lang. Ganyan. So ayan, tulog si Zoe sa likod. Kaya diretso na lang tayo ng uwi. Ayan guys. And sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel, please don't forget to subscribe.
I gotta put this in the mailbox.
We're going for a walk.
Oh God.
That's fine. Happy Daffy, yeah, pull your shorts up.
I like this improve.
Mela is so funny. She thinks she's gonna leave behind. When she know that she's coming with, she was so happy. So happy. Show Zoe's new haircut.
more roses. It's done. It's done.
Yeah, we're talking about the roses. Zoe,
Whoever owned this house,
you grow too fast. Can you stop growing?
whoever owned this house, they're always decorating for each and every season.
Yeah,
Lot.
every season, huh?
Yeah.
I know where they buy this one.
Where?
It's, I know who make this.
No, that's neat.
Yeah. Yes, Mellow girl. Huh? You're so excited, huh? Yes, girl. Yeah, I know. Keep walking.
Wait, do I look back?
Okay guys, nandito kami sa park. Ang goal ay magpapayat si Tami. Kaya naglakad-lakad. Oh, that's so cool. Oh no! Hold on!
Yeah. Hey, faster, faster, faster. Yes, yes. What I want, yes. Oh, yes.
What happened, huh? What happened to Zoe? Oh my God!
Faster, faster.
She's screaming faster.
Wow. Faster, faster.
Yeah, ang goal namin ay maglakad-lakad para pumayat si Tami.
Walk. Walk right now. Hurry up.
Alright, Mello. You too? You got fun? Huh? Hay nako. Give me your hat, Labi-Dabi. Give me your hat. Give me the hat. Okay. Bring si Tommy. Go Tommy, go.
Go back to mommy. Back to mommy.
Mello, come.
Back to mommy. Hey. Back to mommy.
Mello, come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good job, Tommy. Babe.
Yep, she gets in there every day.
Trying to touch Milo to give her command. Call her.
Oh. Back to mommy. Go back to mommy. No, no, I don't want you. Go back to mommy. No,
Excuse me.
back to mommy. No, back to mommy.
She's not listening.
Why are you not listening?
She's distracted behind you. I don't know what it is. She's scared to get in.
Yeah, she didn't like it because I was spinning her.
Wanna come? Huh? Wanna come? Come here.
Go as fast as possible, please.
Oh no.
You have to be on the outside though.
I don't care.
No,
Okay, I'll go on
to the outside.
Okay. Dr. David Horn, force cruiser or whatever it's called. Centrifugal force? What is that?
Melo wanna join?
Something force. Okay.
No, that trick is not good.
Tommy told me to.
Oh
No.
no, not on the outside of it. On the inside, on the outside.
You.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
That's enough.
Please.
Tommy will go to a slide. Tommy will go to a slide. Melo, catch him. Melo, catch him.
Hey, Tommy, count to 60. Let's play hide and seek.
No.
Count to 20. Let's play hide and seek.
No.
Count to 5.
I don't play hide and seek.
Mommy, count to 60. Let's play hide and seek.
No. who will want to play hide and seek? Melo will follow you along.
Play hide and seek at nighttime.
Okay, let's go.
Melo will sniff on you.
Yep. Take care. Have a great night.
See you guys.
Okay.
Bye.
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 Melo's gonna sniff you around. You easily get catch. She after
What if you
them.
tell Mello to stay while you're counting?
Huh?
What if you tell Mello to stay while you're counting?
Huh? Going. That's so cute. Follow Zoe. Ah. She loves being pet.
No.
They cannot play, babe. She show off to everyone. She's getting her pet. Oh no, the play stopped.
Mello. No.
Come! What are you doing out there? What you doing out there? What are you doing out there? You get your pet? Huh? You get your
She
pet?
got pet by everyone.
I know. Good girl. Oh my God, let's go home. Huh? Let's go home. Come here. Thank you, Park. Thank you, Park.